this is the part 3 of my travel vlog. If you haven't watched the part 1 and part 2 yet of my slow life and Siargao travel vlog, I do recommend that you watch it because I really want you to feel that you're traveling with us. You can find them in my YouTube channel and I hope you enjoy.
Who's to know what happens when the world ends? At least this is an okay bar for running into you. It's an awful house.
Good morning, everyone. Bakit? Oh. Kita na ka lang? Just sa context, nagsusumbong dito si Eloy kasi hindi daw siya sinasalubong ni Chocola, yung dog dito. Eh ako, nagpapabuhat siya sa akin.
Sa'yo eh, nag-ano yun, nagpapabuhat ka.
Papabuhat sa akin yun, boy. Morning in Siargao.
Different guys, what am I missing?
Ito guys, ito yung isa sa maganda sa slow travel kasi as you guys know, kagabi nagwalwal kami kaya hindi ko na kaya atang mag-yoga. Ito yung time na parang sabi ko, hindi ko na ata kaya. So yun, ang ganda kasi it's up to us what to do. Diba, hindi ko tinuloy yung yoga ko. So ayun, mag-whitebird coffee na lang kami. Amin yung oras namin. Kami yung nag-set ng itinerary. That's what I love.
Like I don't be doing right by you, ain't right for you. Be just what you like for you. I cut off all my ties for you. Like I didn't do right by you. That was just a lesson for you.
This time, sabi namin, anong gagawin natin today? Anong plano? So, sabi ko sa kanya, tara, punta tayo sa Pacifico Island. Tignan natin yung $1 million view. Kaya yun, nagkayayaan. Hello, Sponty Sponty, here we go.
That was just a lesson for you. So trust that I ain't gonna be stressing on it. I gave my best and I put blessings on it.
Guys, inform ko lang kayo, nakakakilig dito sa pinagstayan namin. Alam nyo ba? Para kaming mga donya. Kasi like lalabas kami, tas pagbalik namin, newly cleaned na naman tong room. Tapos, alam nyo yun, ang linis na naayos na nila yung mga gamit. Tapos, ito, kinikilig talaga ako dito. Ano ba talaga tayo, tita? Ay! Hindi para ma-fall. Kasi, ayan, nagre-refill sila ng water namin lagi. Ganon. Tapos, nahugasan namin yung baso namin. Ganon. Ang ganda ng service nila dito. Highly recommended. Tapos, nakikita nyo naman, super aesthetic. Tapos, tingnan nyo yung view ng room namin, guys. Hindi para magyabang. Huy! Lalakad mag-isa, anak ko. Ay, kinampas yung camera. Ba't ka naglalakad mag-isa dito sa init? Mahit-stroke ka. Bagay na vlog? Ka muna,
Basic!
Basta tumba tayo lang. Ay, Lord. Ang nang-intrusive thoughts ko.
Alam mo naman sa airplane ka.
It's not over tonight. Just give me one more chance to make it right.
I'm trying so hard not to like you, but there's so much that I like, and I know that you feel the same.
Alam nyo guys, I don't know if you noticed, pero we are super grateful every travel. Like, we made sure talaga na every travel, we have a lot of realizations. Kasi, kung tutusin mo, we basically grew together from college and then to unemployed. Alam mo yan, yung wala kaming work, wala kaming pang-date. And then ngayon, na meron na kaming work, tapos we have the means to travel. We are super grateful to God every time.
And I'll leave it to the universe. Let's 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 leave it to the universe.
While I'm editing this video, tumatawa pa rin ako. I'm super proud of myself na nag-drive ako dito sa Siargao. Kasi, context guys, is nung natututo ako magmotor, siguro way back in 2015, na-disgrasya kasi ako. Yun yung last time na nagmotor ako. I think, no, it's not the last time kasi nagmotor ako ulit noong super kailangan ng family ko kasi we had a family problem back then. So, kailangan kong magmotor. Ayoko nang ikwento. Pero yun, this is my second time conquering my fears in driving a motorcycle or a scooter. So, I'm super proud of myself, guys. Please, pumalakpak naman kayo dyan.
It hurts, I won't pretend, but I'll take you by your word, and I'll walk away before it starts to hurt. So I'ma let go, let go, let go, and I'll leave it to the universe. Let's 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 leave it to the universe.
Biglang surfing to, guys. Talagang sinurprise lang ako ni Eloy na talagang mag-surf tayo, ganun. Kasi wala nang talaga sana kaming balak. Pero alam niyang gusto ko mag-surf talaga. So yun, thank you, Bibi.
Forward, don't forget to smile. Ano mo yung smile, ma'am? Oh, smile.
Smiley dito ma'am, Smiley.
Smile, look forward. Okay? Yung malayong tingin, malayong yung mararating.
Wow.
Isa pa.
Smiley.
Tanggol, ma'am, tanggol. Wala, ma'am, kasi nagpapyan kasi si Bakos namatay.
Tanggol ng probinsyano. Tanggol ng Siargao.
Oh, sige, ma'am, sige, ma'am. Higa, higa. Yan. Okay, tayo. Bye.
Take me by seaside, baddies on the go. You're 3 to 5 from noon. I don't wanna know ya. I got scared, and I got something for ya. Not my heart, not my space, not my street. I wish you'd stay. There's no point without ya, and I wanna leave. When I came back in, you were not where you belong. I heard that the hurricane took you away, laying out, and I got something for ya. Not my heart.
We super enjoyed our surfing session because of the people. As in, sobrang saya. It was a good laugh. Punong-puno ng tawanan yung session namin. And we gained friends. Alam mo yon. And I'm so happy visiting this Pacifico Island. I'm so happy meeting these people. And I hope I meet them again soon. Sabi nga nila, don't forget to smiley.
Can we all just agree to go?
'Cause I wanna leave.
Buka tayo, guys, here at Pacifica! First time kong uminom ng buko na walang straw. Kaya lang, itim ko na, B. Totoo?
Ako nga din, oh.
Paano ba ito inumin ng mata? Tama.
Gusto mo din sa akin. Wah mo susubon kasama yung naman.
I've been out of my head, can't get out of bed. Too much on my brain, but got it good, can't complain. It's like I'm losing my mind, and time's hard to find. What's a girl gotta do to catch a break up? When life tries to test me, I take it one day at a time. 'Cause I was crying yesterday, but look at me today. It has been so long since I wrote a sad song. Sunshine on my face, I'm feeling okay. Nothing's in my
saan kami pupunta. It's time for dinner and tawag na nun? Syempre, nightlife. Oh! Mga party goers. Halika dito. Fit check. Fit check. Ala, very nene naman ang outfit ko.
Pitchik, ito naman yung tsura ko.
Why has it gotta be so complicated? Maybe this love thing's overrated. My feeling the same, but facing my
Parang
hands. I know it's my fault cause I never make plans. And now you're telling me you love me, but she don't even know me. I'm down to hang, but if you follow me, it's slow. Yeah, cause I've been thinking lately. If I take my time, try to get it right, I could see you in a different light. If I take my time, try to get it right, I could see you in a different light, girl. Maybe we're too intoxicated, trying to have sober conversation. I'm saying I'm fine, we both know I'm not with you in that dress, girl. There ain't no denying it. But that's the point I'm trying to get to. Every single issue and everything that you do, baby. I wanna make sure I'm with that girl. I take my time, try to get it right.
Wait guys, nakikita niyo ba yung naka-black dyan? Diba hindi ko kilala yan? Pero umalis kasi si Eloy dahil sumakit yung tiyan niya. So I met him. Wow! Meet Yel, our newfound friend from Cebu. So single, but I don't think he's ready to mingle. It's like Pao, he will be a huge part in our circle travel.
Dadaanan naman natin. Malayo-layo
Siyempre,
pa yung lalakarin natin.
Hindi, okay lang yan. Para naman maparada ang ganda natin. Magte-thank you pa tong mga kahoy. Saan kami pupunta?
Sa El Lobo! Para
Anong gagawin?
magpalubog!
Pero nakikibay. Tapos,
And alam niyo naman na guys, you guys know the drill. This video contains fast flashing images. It may cause discomfort and trigger seizures for people with photosensitive epilepsy. So viewer discretion is advised. Safety first. kwento dito, super late na humapol ni Yel. Kaya nabitin siya kasi patapos na yung party. So bigla, spontaneous trip to Katangnan Bridge, magiinuman kami doon. See ya!
Life's so good! Natatapos ng party sa El Lobo, pero kulang. Pupunta kami sa Katangnan Beach, guys, with our friends. Startokers is real! It's not just the place, it's also the people you meet. Uy!
Eto, tignan mo to. Oo. Tignan mo to, ito na yung pinakaano. But most...
When you're not here, the sun don't shine. When you're not near, I don't feel like I do. When you're with me.
Maybe the reason why I love traveling is the chance to meet new people and at the same time meet a new version of yourself. Kasi alam mo yun, you're a clean slate when you go to a different place, and then kung ano yung ipapakilala mo kung sino ka, ikaw yun, ikaw yung makikilala nila. Ganon. I don't know if you understand me. Basta my point is, meron kang chance na ipakilala kung sino ka talaga, hindi yung nakabase na yung judgment nila sa'yo tungkol sa sinasabi ng ibang tao. Ay, hugot!
This is love if I'm making you breakfast. This is love if I feel myself coming down. And you're not around. This is love if I think I've gone crazy. This is love if it seems I don't care at all. That your love hit me like a cannonball. I used to worry about my options, yeah, I used to think too much. I think too much, but with you I forget my worries. Behind me they can't touch me now. Yeah, that's how I know if it's love that I'm speaking of. This is love if I'm making you breakfast. This is love if I feel myself coming down. You're not around. This is
Umulan kasi sa Katangnan, so nabitin kami. Tapos alam nyo guys, medyo tipsy na kami. Actually, nahihiya ako kasi sobrang ingay namin dito noon. Oh my God! Just in case may nanonood man pong staff ng Starbucks, pasensya po, hindi po kami yun. Lasing po na, sarili namin yun. That's not us.
Honestly, meeting these people is one of the highlights of my Siargao trip. Alam niyo ba kung ano-anong pinag-usapan namin dito? Good love, and then at the same time, we talk about politics, yung mga ayaw namin na nangyayari sa government. Oh my God! Sobrang wholesome na convo and very surreal.
like a cannon.